Not all reverse osmosis systems are created equal. If you're looking for an RO system to treat your well water, there are specifications you need that make a big difference. That's why we put together a list of the 3 best reverse osmosis systems for well water to address issues like well bacteria, iron, water pressure, and more. At Freshness, our experts have reviewed hundreds of water treatment solutions and will only recommend the very best based on our years of industry experience. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall option is the Springwell 4-stage reverse osmosis system. The Springwell reverse osmosis water filtration system is the perfect solution for filtering harmful contaminants such as lead, iron, and arsenic. The point-of-use water filter system fits neatly under your kitchen sink and provides 75 gallons per day of crisp, filtered water. With its 4-stage process, the Springwell RO removes heavy metals and contaminants commonly found in well water. The first stage removes sediment and larger particles before moving to the carbon filter in stage 2, where chlorine, PFOAs, pesticides, and more are removed. In stage 3, the reverse osmosis membrane filters out heavy materials such as iron, lead, mercury, arsenic, aluminum, and more. Lastly, stage 4 uses a carbon filter to finish and remove any additional contaminants that made it through the first 3 stages. The end result? Drinking water that is up to 99.9% pure of harmful contaminants. The system is designed for easy installation and easier filter replacements. With a quick, quarter-turn design, you can swap filters without shutting the water off in only a few minutes. And to save on maintenance, the filters have a long life of about 6 months, while the RO membrane filter will last up to 24 months. The best part is, all Springwell systems are built in the USA using only certified components. They back the RO unit with a 1-year warranty and 6-month money-back guarantee. The pros are the 4-stage filtration removes common well water contaminants, the high 75 GPD water flow rate, long filter life for low maintenance cost, it includes a designer metal faucet, and there's a 1-year warranty and 6-month money-back guarantee. The cons are that it may require professional installation if not DIY inclined, and the UV purification light can be added separately for bacteria issues. Next is a close runner-up, the new Aqua 6-stage RO system with Ultraviolet Purifier and booster pump. This comprehensive 6-stage system comes with everything you need for even the harshest well water conditions, but at an affordable price. The first 3 stages consist of a 5-micron sediment filter, a 10-inch granular activated carbon filter, and a coconut carbon block filter. The pre-filtration process will remove chlorine, chloramines, VOCs, heavy metals, and any bad taste or odor. But it'll also extend the life of your system to save you money on replacement filters and maintenance down the road. After leaving the pre-filters, water is forced through the reverse osmosis membrane. This semi-permeable membrane will get rid of difficult contaminants like iron, sodium, magnesium, radium, and more. Now that the water is safe and contaminant-free, there are 2 additional stages to ensure the purest well water possible. As you consume the stored water from the RO faucet, it'll pass through an inline granular activated carbon filter and a UV purification light. Well water is notorious for containing viruses and bacteria. With the additional UV filtration, up to 99% of harmful bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms are destroyed. Lastly, the new Aqua system comes with a pre-installed booster pump to provide the necessary boost in your well water pressure. This is required for RO systems to perform effectively and improve overall system efficiency. The pros are the industry-leading 5-year warranty, the fast 100 GPD water flow rate, it removes up to 99.9% of common well water contaminants, it includes a UV purifier for well water bacteria and viruses, and it has a built-in booster pump for optimal filtration effectiveness. The cons are that more filtration stages means more filters to maintain, and it may require professional installation if you're not DIY inclined. At number 3 is the HomeMaster TMHP HydroPerfection reverse osmosis system. With its incredible 9-stage filtration system, the HomeMaster is designed to remove 99.99% of chlorine, PFOAs, iron, and thousands of other contaminants, while safety sterilizing microorganisms, viruses, and bacteria with its UV purifier. Although this system works great on all water sources, it especially sets itself apart for use on well water. Dissolved iron commonly found in well water would destroy reverse osmosis membranes without an iron pre-filter protecting it. The HydroPerfection's iron pre-filter contains an advanced KDF 85 media that removes dissolved iron from the water, so you can count on crisp, clean water that won't shorten the lifespan of your RO system. Home Master filters last longer than traditional RO systems filters, only requiring a filter change once a year or every 2,000 gallons. The unique modular all-in-one filters are incorporated into their housings to make annual filter changes fast and efficient, while also reducing bacteria buildup like with traditional filter housings. The Home Master is extremely eco-friendly with its fast flow kit that nearly doubles the flow rate by incorporating larger fittings, tubing, and other high flow rate components. The included non-electric permeate pump further improves efficiency by reducing water waste by up to 80% for about a 1-to-1 wastewater ratio. The pros are the 5-year warranty with 30-day money-back guarantee. It's ideal for well water filtration. It meets or exceeds NSF standards for safety and performance. It includes a patented remineralization system, and it has a UV sterilizer that destroys viruses and bacteria. The cons are that it may require professional installation if not DIY inclined, and it is slightly more expensive than some alternatives because of premium design. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.